Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Today, I want to tell about my mind mapping. Yes, first, I want to tell about myself. My name is Sana, but people usually call me Ata. But in my senior high school, everybody calls me Head. Because if my friend call me Head, I will turn around. Yes, I was born in 4 April 2007. My character is cheerful, but not here. Because in here, I always serious, inshallah. Next, I want to tell about my family. My family is the best home in my life. Yes, I have one sibling. She is young sister, and I have father and mother. They are always support me until I'm confused how to be a good people. Yes. The third point I want to tell about my unforgettable moment. The last year in August, I went to Malaysia and Singapore for show Tari Saman. Yes, after this maybe. Okay, the next I want to tell about my future. The first, I want to apply for join in University Islam Indonesia in psychology majority. And maybe if I rejected from UAE, I will apply in University Negeri Yogyakarta. Same in psychology majority. The next, why I put this picture.
Wow.
Yes, I want to be a cool father. Yes. The next, why I put Tugu Jogja in here. Because I want to stay in Yogyakarta. Why? I want to stay in Yogyakarta because I like the culture from Yogyakarta. Yes, like Gerbek Suro maybe. And yeah, that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.